Hey, HIST 101 students, Professor Benlow here with one last motivational video for you. Okay, so this is wrapping up the semester week. So firstly, my office hour will be held Monday, which will be September 21st from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time as usual. Also, you have your remaining Unit 5 due date, which is Tuesday, September 22nd. You have your Unit 5 IntelliPath assignment due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Please be mindful, my dear students, that Thursday, September 24th is the absolute last day of this semester. So all student work must be turned in by then. So you need to turn any discussion board assignments that you have not turned in yet. And you also need to complete all IntelliPath assignments and all IntelliPath practices and revisions by Thursday, September 24th, 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So anyway, I just want to reiterate, it has been my honor and pleasure to have been your instructor this past 5.5 week semester. I've truly enjoyed it. It's been an honor and pleasure to be on this historical journey with you and your journey towards your degree. I wish you absolutely nothing but the best in your future endeavors. All right, everybody, good luck.